is now, and welcome back to my photobodgery tutorials. I just thought I'd show you some of the previous work that my students have done over the years. So, starting off with crazy kangaroo in sunglasses, more sunglasses, mad kiwi, I think it was. Yep, super kiwi. There you go. Penguins. I like the reflection of the penguins in the floor as they're about to be bowled over. Mad stack of ice creams. The panda dog. That's cool. And that's just weird. Cool, but weird. And oh, that makes me feel a little bit sick. A plummeting panda and cartoon characters. A punky, so a pug mixed with a monkey, and another pug, a Dr. Dre pug, I guess. I like the fire coming out of the donkey's ears on this one. The fact that the nostrils are have been mistaken for eyes by the look of it. Anyway, I reckon that's another pug monkey, another punky. Yep. Redesigning video games. A monster at school. Monkeys riding things and beaches. Yep. Darth Vader cat type thing, or is it a Sith? I don't know. Star Wars. What is that? A squirrel fighting attacks. Ooh. And how on earth is the dog going to bring the ball back? Anyway, madness, flying fish, and on we go. It's just non-stop insanity. There you go. Zebra horse, like you do, and monkeys riding donkeys. Again, a super fast cheetah. Back to the beach. Yep. Strange Arnold Schwarzenegger. What is that? Snake? No. Komodo dragon, perhaps. And a koala with a slug for a nose, I'm guessing. Two bananas keeping social distances from each other. And there's a pig on the end of one of those sausages. This was showing how feathering works. Anyway, another time. Right, and that was it. Okay, so there's my students' work from the past. Bit of inspiration for you.